Engine 44, Medic 44, and PA with unknown injuries. D1, C, 8900, South Peoria Street.
We're just west of Lyons, Kansas, and we've been seeing this all day long, and it's been dust, and this one is actually a fire. So while en route to Wichita, we're going to check this out real quick, try and see if we can get any details on it. So I'm going to break this one down from the first due dispatch center just to save your ears from all the wind noise. The wind was just cranking and tearing apart our mics, but I got a chance to talk to Chief File from the Lyons Rice County Fire Department. He was very generous with his time, and he was just real proud of his men and women on the force there. 11 units responded with 24 personnel. This is a town of 3,500 in central Kansas, and they used zero mutual aid. These guys got it handled. It took 6 hours to extinguish the fire. All 8 stations from their department throughout the county responded, and no known ignition source on this one, but we can assume it might have been wind related. So have a safe shift, Lyons. It was great to see you guys in action. We'll see you on the next one when you're first due.